There is job opening. Position is SAP PP, QM or Ariba consultant. Minimum 5 years experience. Work from office is required. Location Noida and Hyderabad. You can submit your profile on https://pitsia.com/contact us. You can subscribe to the WhatsApp channel also, their WhatsApp channel. Please send your profile on the given link. For more information, you will receive a call. There is one more opening for SAP basis consultant. Minimum 4 years experience required. Work from office is mandatory. Location will be Mumbai, Banglore. Skill will be SAP installation and system upgrade, patch upgrade, new system planning, configuration, troubleshooting experience must be required. You can submit your profile on https://pitsia.com/contact us. You can subscribe to the WhatsApp channel also. All the links, all the details will be pasted in the description. Thank you.